episode, we had covered the fundamentals, what cap tables are, how dilution works, the difference between common and preferred shares, and why you need to track your safes and convertible notes very carefully. However, advanced founders negotiate equity structures that preserve control and optimize for their specific situation. Today, we are going a step further because once you understand the basics, the real challenge becomes how do you strategically optimize your cap table across multiple rounds to maximize the founder value while maintaining control and incentivizing key members. Let's start with the advanced dilution modeling, the multi round frame. The basic cap table management tracks current ownership, but the advanced cap table strategy models dilution across multiple future scenarios to optimize the long term value. The 5 round dilution model. You need to build scenarios by modeling ownership through current state. Next round, which might be Series A or a seed round. Series A if the current one is pre-seed or seed round. Series B, and finally the exit scenarios. This brings us to the strategic equity negotiations. The basic cap table management accepts the standard terms. However, advanced founders negotiate equity structures that preserve control and optimize for their specific situation. Let's talk about the founder control preservation framework in terms of 3 stages. The dual class share structures, the ratchet protection mechanisms, and the liquidation reference optimization. Let's also talk about the board control strategy. Try to maintain founder majority as long as possible. Use observer seats instead of voting seats for early investors. A pro technique out here is to make sure that the independent board member selection rights are with you.